So welcome back everyone, Mike here. This evening I want to show you a new camera that I picked up last week, and I am already in love with this thing. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, if you're expecting like a full tech review on this camera, you're not going to get it here. And that's kind of the point of it. I am 52 years old. I'm not a techie kind of guy, but I do have a YouTube channel. We have several cameras, and this is already becoming one of my favorites. It's a very handy camera to have with me for like some B-roll kind of stuff, some good cinematic effect. It's a really neat camera. So I'm going to show you a few of the features that it has, and then we'll probably go for a ride in the Ranger, show you how good the stabilization is. It also has like follow me. I'll have Melissa kind of drive around on the RK24 and I'll show you how this thing will follow whatever you focus on. It's a really neat camera. And what I really like about it is it's just so easy and handy. It fits right in this nice little case here. And so if I'm shooting a video or out in the woods or anything like that, it's right in my shirt pocket when I need it. It's there and it's real good quality. But let's get started. We'll go over a couple of the features here and then we'll take it for a ride and we'll just go over it. We got Piper in the background here. So on this camera, the way you turn it on, you hit this button right here to power it up. As you can probably see, that gimbal on there makes it for really smooth video. It's really nice. Now it does have a little screen on the back. It is kind of hard to see, but you can also plug your iPhone into it or your phone into the side of it and have a much bigger screen, but that kind of defeats the purpose for me. I just like it because it's small, very convenient, keep it right in your shirt pocket, and it's super, super stable. Do you like using this thing, Melissa?
I do. It was handy. I was able to hold it in front of me to see where we were walking on the trails. So then when I was talking, I knew it was going right to it. So that's always a thing of, do I talk in the right section or part of where I'm holding it?
Now
I do think I would plug it into my phone.
Yeah.
I noticed today, well, for maybe people that wear glasses or don't wear glasses that need glasses, I couldn't always see what I was doing, so.
But you get used to it. And the thing to keep in mind now is the microphone is right here on this side, okay? So if you're like vlogging or something like that and you want it to turn around, it's perfect for that. Or if you're showing somebody something, you know, you hit record and you're talking and the microphone picks it up right here, no problem at all. But whoever you're talking to, like Melissa, you say something.
Piper's so pretty.
You won't hear her as well because the microphone's on the back side.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All right, now I'm going to show you the follow me mode. Scroll up, hit follow. I'm going to double click on Melissa. It says active track on. Now Melissa, start the tractor up, back up, move around the parking lot. Come on, Rick. Come on, Rick. So you could probably see how this head was following her all over the place. I'll show you that clip right now. On. Now, Melissa, start the tractor up, back up, move around the parking lot. Come on, Rick. Come on, Rick. So I'm just kind of walking around. Hey Melissa, why don't you come out here? It's locked onto her right now. All right, I'm not moving the camera and Melissa's gonna walk around in a circle. That's pretty cool.
I can do a square too.
If it can keep up with you, it could definitely keep up with Stanley.
This is Stanley.
Stanley kind of mopes around a little bit.
Wait, the lunch meat drawer?
Yeah. Also takes pictures as well. It is getting kind of dark, but I'll take a few photos here. All right, you want to go for a little ride in the Ranger? We'll show them how stable it is.
Sure.
Okay, tractor the whole way over there. I want to see if it picks her up when she gets off the tractor. Yeah, it was following the tractor, not you.
Okay.
Now, one problem Melissa has now, if she tries to pull that downstairs move, look what happens. Follows you the whole way.
Really?
Yeah. All right, you ready to go?
Ready.
What's with the candy in here?
I like to give my passengers a sweet little treat.
All right, now keep in mind, it's the sun's going down, it's getting a little bit dark. But we're gonna head out the trail here with Melissa behind the wheel. And I'm just gonna stick this thing out the door. You will get a little bit of wind noise, but not a whole lot because the microphone is on the back side, like I said. Well, she don't mess around.
I'm going down. Okay, your way?
Left.
I know, I said, okay, your way.
Okay, my arm was bouncing all over the place because Melissa hit every hole that she could and every stump, I think.
We're here.
We're here. And we can turn around, head back to the house, and we'll go a little bit slower on the way back. I'm anxious to see how this part turns out. All right, we're going to do the follow me mode while she backs up. All right, we're almost back to the house. So Hunter's in on the action now too. But anyway, like I said at the beginning of this video, this is by no means a technical review of the DJI Osmo Pocket. I just want to show you how easy it is to use right out of the box. When I learn more about it, I'll probably go over it more, but it is very handy. I really like this camera. You know, like I said, I use the Canon M50, the Sony FDR-X3000s, I have 2 of those, and the Canon 80D that we're recording on right now. This thing here though, I may actually get another one. That way I'll have one with me, Melissa can have one with her, and when you turn it off, you just hit the button, folds right back up, goes in this nice case, keeps it protected. How long this will last, I have no idea, you know, because there's some moving parts and things. It probably won't last as long as a regular camera, but I don't have any idea. But I'm thrilled with this camera. I really am.
I have been.
And like I say, just keep it in your shirt pocket. Because when I'm out in the woods doing things, shooting videos on like cutting firewood or tractor work, it's a lot of work carrying all this stuff with you. So with this, I kind of just take one big camera and maybe this thing here now, and it works really, really well. And like I said, shaky videos, I'm just not a fan of shaky videos. It drives me. A lot of people use like a Canon M50 like this.
It drives them crazy. And
the screen will flip around, you know, and they can walk like this. And sure, the picture quality is really good, but it's shaking all over the place. And so that's why I don't use one of these. I always use a tripod or something with stabilization like the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now this camera costs around $350, which that's a lot of money. But I think the GoPro, the new 7, which GoPro has come a long way recently, it has a stabilization built into it. It costs more money than this DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm not affiliated with them. They didn't send me this or anything. I paid for this. I just wanted to pass that information along.
It was his Mother's Day gift.
Yeah, I got this for myself for Mother's Day.
But I think if there's probably accessories, it would be nice to have the case that has a clip to your belt or a belt loop or something.
Yeah.
Because when I took it,
you don't
I
have
was
shirt
like,
pocket.
yeah, I didn't have, so I don't want to start wearing a fanny pack, but might have to. What do you think? Hunter's on to the whole video thing, that all of his fans are supporting him in his BK addiction. So now he knows if he gets on the action, we read him the comments, he's super happy, and boom, off we go. Nope, it's just a BK on the weekends.
Yeah.
No, it's bedtime. These are your jammies. You put your jammies on. It's bedtime.
So anyway, if you have a YouTube channel, you're going on vacation, something for parties, family memories, anything like that, I think this is a really good option. I mean, who knows, the thing may break next week and I may hate it, but I doubt it.
For bloggers or vloggers,
yeah,
people doing family history, research work, things you want to keep, you know, this would be excellent to be able to interview people in your family and get some information. Yeah. Or like he said, vacations. Or if you collect things, antiques, you want to be able to document all that. I know insurance agencies like to have all that. This would be excellent. Yeah.
But I think that's about it. Like I said, not a technical review, but if I can use this, anybody can use this camera.
Or me, if I can use it.
And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.